Hi, this is Gordon Stewart from TMS CADCentre with a quick tip on how to create a three-way mitre joint. This could be in either tube, circular tube or square tube. So we'll have a look at an example of each. To start off with a circular tube, I will draw in a nice, a simple 3D sketch. Okay, I'm just going to draw 3 lines radiating out from the origin. And I'm just going to use the tab key to ensure that this one drifts back the way. Okay, and we can see we have a sketch here with 3 different lines all coming together. None of them are at right angles to each other or anything like that. So let's see how we can create a 3-way mitre joint. Go to our structural members and we choose our section. So I've gone for a circular hollow section. Okay, that's 26.9 by 3.2, and I'm just going to pick each of these sections. Okay. And we can see SolidWorks there trying to create a corner treatment for us, but we want to create something a bit more custom, so let's just click on the corner treatment button in here, and what we need to do is make sure that the trim order for each section is 1. So if I go to here, put that down to 1, and for that third one, put that down to 1, we hit OK, and we have our 3-way mitred joint. Exactly as we would want it. We're going to go and edit our sketch, move that line off, exit the sketch. We see that will update nice and easily for us, so we can always end up that nice sort of decorative finish that we're looking for in our bit of feature steelwork. In box section, it's exactly the same process, but let's have a look at an example of that. Let's get rid of those. A new 3D sketch. Again, we will draw in our lines. So this time I'm just going to make sure I'm going along the orthographic directions. Remember, the tab key flips the default plane that you sketch in when drawing your 3D sketches. So we can see we have our 3 lines in here. So we'll exit our sketch, go to the structural member, and this time I'll go for some square tube. And again, I'm going to choose a smallish size. Let's go for this 30 by 30. Okay, and so we pick those 2 there, for example. So you don't have to do them as 3 separate groups. And we'll create a new group, add that lower section in. So this is, again, the default behavior that you'll get in the weldment tool. So we want to have something slightly different here. So we click on the corner treatment, and again, I just need to make sure all the entries are marked at 1 there, and we end up with a nice 3-way mitred joint with square box section. So there you have it, 3-way mitred joints in weldments. This has been Gordon Stewart from TMS CADCentre.